Hello guys, welcome to the Day 6. The path towards the begins towards the engineering mastery. So we're building our own database in C. And yesterday, yesterday we just created a simple REPL C. So let's look at smooth C products. Okay, so just created a simple REPL yesterday. Friends. Is there this one? Source. C. Source. C. This is going to be source run source management. Even help. Just hence we haven't implemented yet for the that exit did yesterday. Just yes, right. So yeah. Okay, so let's look on. Yes, so let's recall how the SQLite works. Yep. So if you ask me how that works, then okay. So what happens is there is a REPL, right? So there is a REPL where you're gonna type the skill commands like select all users type, right? What happens is they are passed they are passed to tokenizers, tokenizers. They are passed to the tokenizers, and tokenizers just subcategorize these SQL text into tokens, right? And then the tokenizer those tokens to the pass it to the parsers, parser, and it check the syntax, right? Parsers will check the syntax, and then it will pass those tokens into to the code generator, which will generate the bytecode, right? Generate the bytecode, and then the bytecode will be run by the virtual machine. It's virtual machine, right? And it will have some sorry, right? And then have like some sort of pages, because yeah, the read file pages, and generally the base size is 4096 bytes, which is 4 kilobytes, right? Basing is a very important concept in OS, which has made virtualization or the virtual memory possible. So and then after pages, we'll have the base interface, which will talk to the disk via the hardware, right? So these are the these are the front end parts, and these are the back ends, right? So yeah, that was what we learned yesterday, right? Oh, forgot about the B tree, which is a data structure used by the database. It's very fast. So yeah, B tree. I forgot about the B tree. Pardon me. And then yeah, so we made a simple, you know, REPL. So we're going to write the world's simplest SQL compiler and virtual machine. Cool. Uh, yeah, topic is just so cool. Writing SQL compiler and virtual machine. So I'm going to write my own first compiler and first virtual machine. We're making a clone of SQLite. The front end of SQLite is SQL compiler that parses a string and outputs an internal representation called bytecodes. Well, bytecode, yeah. So that code generator is the SQL. So yes, this code generator, just like a compiler, which will generate the bytecode, right? Then this bytecode is passed to the virtual machine, which executes it. Then it will be passed to the virtual machine, which will execute the bytecode. Breaking things into two steps like this has a couple advantages. Reduces the complexity of each part. Example, virtual machine does not worry about syntax errors. Yeah, it doesn't care. The compiler cares about syntax errors and allows compiling common queries once and caching the bytecode for improved performance. Caching the bytecode. So with this in mind, let's refactor our main function and support two new keywords in the process. Okay, so if it starts with dot, and we're going to do the command starts with that, then check that do meta command if they are the meta case. If yeah, if it success, that is true, just continue, just continue, just continue. So recognize if it's not recognized, and it's a code statement where switch preparation statement from passing the success break keyword startup execute execute. Mhm. So we're going to just non-SQL statements like these are meta commands. Start with a dot so we can check for tell them in separate function. Okay, so yeah, so not going to crash a program. Instead, else if input buffer inside it buffer index equals equals to dot. Right, so okay, so yep, so if starts with this, and we're going to check switch to meta commands to us buffer, right? So this is going to happen, right? So and then with cases, so what I need is okay. So I have them them that success value of never written the NMCNC before. So yeah, so values success. So this makes sense. So after that, we're just going to return its values and then do once, which is going to take the buffer, right? And then I guess we have to check it. What are the methods? So if string pair buffer a dot, we're going to string. So let's try to exit for now. If it's this, if it did so, okay, it's going buffer inside that check exit success. Yeah, because it's not it's nothing error are concerned. Equals to so self match that found case. So if they are going to just yeah, found found So s- what else? Like, so yeah. So do the string string. So did equals to oh is equals to s- 0.30. So strcmp spot expected cost type. So sticker. So string sense. So suit Oh, so what is the this is good. Ask curious friend that why do its syntax and the those specifically of string is reversed. Zero strings are equal, non-zero and zero are close. Yes. Source. So is okay. So it's the go there. It start with this, right? So exit. So so okay. So now the statement enums. So this is going to state insert statement. Select statement now. So it could this now and so it's going to dot and line struct that so type struct to statement type state statement is going to type thing. So okay, so so statement so statement so on equals to that it to be statement state state switch state buffer state. Yep. Okay. Success to print and we're going to get not statement case here enum is going to be state state success state and see state this is going to here statement is going to take in offer something state state so if so execute execute it but for that we do so do yes it is very statement success we're going to break from slope it. This case is prepare statement failed. If statement failed, then we're going to print some for buffer. Continue. Statement statement right. So this is case. Now check. We are going to prepare the statement. It's the logic statement. If there is insert, statement type is going to be statement insert, right? Prepare success. Just select prepare. Okay. If string n p with the input buffer, light buffer should be an insert, right? ICRD. So 6, if they are, if it's insert, then the statement type is going to be insert statement, and then we're going to return prepare statement success here. Okay, so this is statement type because it is not a pointer, right? Yeah, if I want something assisted this. Oh, so yes, strcmp, put buffer inside buffer and select, then where it's also so statement type is going, this is going to select the statement, where is the success, else we're going to failed, right? So as prepare statement, we're going to break it, else we're going to continue. Execute statement is going to args so void execute statement, which is going to take statement, it's going to take a state if state dot the type is equals if its type is equals to insert statement, we're going to we are going to insert here, else if statement dot type is to select statement, we're going to print, we are going to do select here, statement select, execute it here. F execute execute. Go source the min dot insert. We are going to insert here, executed, good. Select, we are going to select here, insert select update, near update, delete, it's going to delete. Yes, we can either pass the pointer and pass the statement. It's going to statement here, but it would be better if I just pass the reference. So if I change anything, then uh, so a lot of else, so it's better to use switch cases, switch state 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 type statement site type. First case is going to insert statement. Insert statement. We're going to do this. We're going to break it. Case if select statement. So we're going to print this, and then we're going to break it. So that exit. Let's see. So this is a switch case. This is okay. Source in. So insert. We're going to insert here. Select anything. Search this right. CSC select dot exit also does dot exit. Okay, cool. Skill of our database is taking stably stored data. In the next part, we will implement insert and select words that are stored in the meantime. Here's that if file from this. Good. A lot of things here. So see. In the values. The values. Yeah, it makes sense. So, guys, yeah, that's it for today. So, tomorrow is the weekend, so we're going to do a lot more. We're probably going to get the third part, maybe the fourth part as well. So, stay tuned, guys. Thank you.